Welcome to Pumping Python. My name is Itegboje, and this is a collection of test-driven development exercises that have helped me use Python for more than a decade. Test-driven development is a way to write software with a focus on tests. I write tests for an idea to meet a goal or a requirement, and the results tell me if I'm closer to the goal or not. I repeat the process until I get to the goal. I recommend reading Ken Beck's Test-Driven Development by Example and Martin Fowler's Refactoring. They both influence the way I write programs. If you're interested in Python, these videos are for you. If you just started your journey, congratulations, you picked Python from the many programming languages out there. Celebrate it, these videos are for you. If you are new to test-driven development in Python, these videos are for you. If you already use Python but do not know any of these exceptions, assertion error, attribute error, index error, key error, module not found error, name error, type error, or value error, these videos are for you. The nature of the videos is I am trying to make a pair programming scenario. Imagine I'm sitting beside you and I type some code, then I wait for you to type the same code and I explain what we just typed. What this means is if you watch these videos without typing along, there'll be long gaps of silence. If you do type as you go through them, you know that at the end, you would have gone from having no code to having tests and solutions in some cases, or you would have covered a concept in a way that you can use in your day-to-day programming. Here are a few things I would do if I were in your shoes to make this process more fun or challenge myself a bit. At the end of a video, I would delete the tests and try to write them from memory. Or do the reverse, close the tests, delete the solution, and just using the terminal response, see what solution I come up with, if it's different or the same as before. I do this in a few videos. I would write tests for any ideas that come to me as I go through this process, because the sooner you start writing tests, the better you get at it. Test-driven development requires a different way of thinking. I would not quit until I get to the end of a video, especially when it is hard. This is part of the experience when learning to solve problems. Things are harder before they get easier because there's a lot of failure. What I can do is walk away to go do something completely different for a while, then come back to it and try again. If you take one small step at a time, eventually you get to where you want to go. Watch how to make a Python test-driven development environment first, because this video is needed by the other videos. And then you can watch the videos in any order you like depending on what's interesting to you. If you want to do the how-to step-by-step, you can. So that would be how to make a calculator, how to pass values, how to make a person, how to test an exception is raised, how to handle exceptions in programs, and how to measure sleep duration. The rest of the videos cover exceptions, data structures, functions, and classes. All the best in your journey as you go through this, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.